10, 11, 12, 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yay!
That's right. You're doing really good. Ready? Can you finish up?
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
You want me to take it out?
Yes.
Okay. Can you continue? Can you finish it up? And then we can... Okay, let me see. Oh, it explains to me how to work it. Those are the instructions. Okay, keep going.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Mm-hmm. Look at you.
7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10, 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That's so fast. You're doing...
8,
Jackson, you're so
9,
smart.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Woohoo! Keep going on.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Wow.
9, 10, 11. Thank you. 6.
Hold on. Can you do this one again? What's that? 7?
7, 8, 9.
There you go.
6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Mm-hmm.
Puzzlers.
Hustlers. 6?
6 plus 5 plus 6.
No. Okay. 6
6,
plus 5. 6, 7, 8.
10, 11.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 8.
8
Okay. Circle 9. 9.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
That's right. That's right. Okay. 4.
4 plus
8 is... Okay. So this is circle the bigger number. Circle the bigger number. There you go. Yes. Okay. 8 plus...
1,
Jackson, look. 8 plus 4. 8.
1,
8.
9,
9.
10, 11, 12.
That's right. Okay. Circle the bigger number.
Plus
9 plus
9
5.
plus 5.
Okay. Circle the bigger number.
1,
Circle the bigger number. That's right. 9 plus 5. 9.
1,
Jackson, try again. 9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14.
That's right. You're so smart, Jackson.